In a pan, roast half a cup of singhare ka atta or water chestnut flour on low to medium heat, stirring continuously. Stir continuously to make sure that it does not get burnt. It will slowly start changing color, and as you can see, slightly turning yellowish to brown. You have to roast until it turns fully light brown. Now you add the cocoa powder or the carob powder and just mix. Next you add the palm shortening or the coconut oil and continue to stir over low heat until all the oil or the shortening is melted. Now add the maple syrup or the honey. And continue to stir. Add the hot water in portions. So now I'm adding about a half a cup now and stir to mix so that there are no lumps. Adding some more water. Total I would add about 1 cup of hot water. Make sure the water is hot. So what I do is I'm heating water in the next stove so that way I have hot water ready. Using hot water makes it easier to mix it together without lumps. And that's about it. Your halwa is ready. You can serve it as is, or if you want to cut it into squares, what you can do is put it into a pan or a plate. Use a greased bowl to pat it so that it's flattened, and then you can place it in the refrigerator to set. Here I kept it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and you can cut it into squares this way. You can top it with shredded coconut or nuts.